Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. This is the orientation week's pack, class 2 and subject is mathematics. As you know in the previous lecture we had done the hundreds, tens and ones concept. Today we will start our pack, orientation week's pack from question number 2 on this page. Count and write the number for each case. Later write the number in numerals and words. First of all हम इन numbers को count करेंगे and यहाँ पर लिखते जाएंगे. Then we will write these numbers in numerals as well as in words. Digits में भी लिखेंगे और हम इसको words में भी लिखेंगे. So start करते हैं first question से. What is it written? It is written 100, 100, 100. You will count the number of hundreds here. 1, 2, 3. So how many hundreds are here? Here are 3 hundreds. You will write here as this. Now you will count the number of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many tens are here? Here are 7 tens. Now you will count the number of ones. 1, 2. Here are 2 ones. So you have written all the numbers of hundreds, tens and ones. You will write this number which we have found in this blank number in numerals. You will write it here 3 hundreds, 7 tens and 2 ones. So how we can read it? Here it is 372. You will write it here as THR 3 hundreds and 72. Similarly, you will do all the remaining questions by yourself. First of all, you will count the number of hundreds, then number of tens, then number of ones, and you will write separately here. Then you will write in numerals, and then you will write the whole number in the words. Here are 6 questions related to this topic. You will do by yourself. Now move towards the next topic, next page. Activity 2 is here, cardinal and ordinal numbers. Cardinal and ordinal numbers are those in which we assign the position to the individuals or the objects. Here you can see the number of animals, a man, etc. These are running in a race and you will assign them the position. As you can see, the cheetah is written on the first position. You will write it here first. Then you will write it dog as second. What is the fox? Fox is on third position. Then duck is on fourth position. This man is on fifth position. Then rabbit is on the sixth position. This animal is on seventh position. Next one animal is on the 8th position. The upcoming animal is on 9th position, and the last one animal is on the 10th position. I have written all the position to these animals, these individuals. According to these positions, you will answer these questions. First of all, you can see dog is lying at dash position. You will look at the dog in this series. So here is dog and it is written on the second position. It is drawn on the second position. You will write it here second, 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 and 2 and the second position. Look at the next question. Duck is at dash position. So where is that duck? Duck is at fourth position. FOURTH, fourth, and you will also write it as this fourth position. You will solve all the remaining questions by yourself looking at these positions and you will answer these, fill in the blanks. Next page is also related to this topic. People are waiting at a bus stop in a queue. Look at the following picture and answer the following question. Here are some people who are waiting for the bus on the bus stop, and they are standing in the queue. Their names are written under their picture, and we will assign them position. Kate is on the first position, Liz is on the second position, Mr. Boris is on the third position, Mary is on the fourth position, Suzanne is on the fifth position, James is on the sixth position, Tim is on the seventh position, Helen is on the eighth position, Mrs. Gray is on ninth position, and Janet is on the last or 10th position. So I have written all the positions. Now we can answer these questions. Where is James? So who is James? He is James, and he is on the sixth position. You will write it here. James is on the sixth position. Done. Similarly, you will do all the remaining questions. You will first of all look at the name, that whom about is the question, किसके बारे में question है, and you will then look at the position assigned to them, and you will answer that question. Thank you so much.